If you have just moved out to a new location, it matters that you are able to find a good dentist as soon as you can. You cannot postpone the health of your teeth. So making sure that you can find a highly capable dental practitioner that can meet these needs is essential. You will need to take note of some important factors, though, so you can choose right this time. Know the kind of dental philosophy that they follow. You can tell a lot about these providers and what they can be expected to offer to you. Based on the philosophy that they are following, it will be a lot easier for you to choose right when you have a good notion of what they can be expected to extend to you and how they are going to extend these services to you too. The technology that is at the disposal of these professionals is going to matter a lot too. Surely you do not expect them to offer their assistance to you while barehanded. They have to have the tools and the necessary credentials that should at least help make it easier for you to opt for those choices that would work well for what it is you are going to need their assistance for. Make sure that you will only focus your attention on highly qualified people. This means you should take the time to look around and ensure that you will only opt for the assistance of qualified people. It is always critical that you will be able to locate the assistance of those that have the credentials to boot. They should have undergone proper education, proper training, and proper exposure in the field. You have to know of the specific services that will be offered by these providers too. You need assurance that, when you do decide to secure the services of these dental practitioners, you can trust that they would be able to offer you to the kind of assistance that is exactly what you need of them every time you refer to their establishment. So know what they are capable of ahead of time. You might be one of those people who feel this sort of anxiety whenever seeing such a provider. Not to worry though. To a lot of people, these feelings are actually normal. But nevertheless, they need something to allow them to feel more convenient and feel more at ease when undergoing the procedures. In this case, what one can do is make sure that he asks about these anti-anxiety options the provider has. Consider the costs of securing the assistance of the dental practitioner too. You would prefer opting for the ones that can actually subject you towards the right rates and the right costs. If you have a dental insurance, use it. Just make sure you contact the providers first. Ask them about the names of dentists that they support so you will be able to maximize the presence of your dental policy. Make sure that the dentist that you will choose is one that is located near enough. You need to be sure that you are looking at providers who happen to be located in areas that are actually easy enough for you to access. With this, you are sure that you will not really have a hard time coming to their offices every time there is an appointment for you to see them and refer to them.